This is visit 2 for this client. Now this client, she does get her gel polish removed with my foot detailing service and then reapplied with her nail tech who is at another location. Now, I am not a big fan of gel polish being applied on the toenails, but if you want to wear gel polish on your toes, apply it, remove it, and then reapply it and repeat. This way you are less likely to experience moisture trapping, which can breed fungus in between the gel attachment and the nail plate. So let's discuss further as I detail my client's toes. Gel polish can trap moisture, which can create a warm, moist environment that is ideal for fungal growth. Now, fungal growth, it thrives and spreads inside your socks and shoes. And even worse, especially if you have a history and a condition of sweaty feet. So if you're going to wear gel polish to be safe, it's best to wear gel polish in the summer when you're wearing open-toed shoes and sandals. Now, it is much safer to abstain from getting a balance when the nail grows out. And when the toenails grow out, have your nail tech remove the old gel polish completely, then reapply, and you'll have a new set. Before, we had gel polish removal, impacted toenails and sidewalls, and a small piece of toenail fungus removed on the left great toe. And mission accomplished with the specialized foot care. I use my all-natural foot care products, and also it's important to use for clients 65 years of age and older omega-3. Omega-3 is a fatty acid, and it is great for minimizing discoloration, anti-aging, and it keeps the firmness on the feet. And don't sleep on this cooling gel. Go to mysbarbershop.com for all your routine foot care products.